What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. Lattafa released a masterpiece last year that went under the radar, unfortunately, and that's really sad. That's why I'm going to take a little bit more time today for this review, because this product deserves all the hype. Let me tell you that something great is happening in Middle Eastern houses. They have started to hire great perfumers to create their own blends. Yes, they are still making dupes, they are still doing that inspired fragrances, but the good news is that at least they have changed their direction a little bit towards their own blends, and that's something really good. So Lattafa hired Gail Montero to create this beautiful perfume for them, and here I'm talking about Musamam White Intense. And man, this thing is so good, a real masterpiece. So Gail Montero is the same guy who have created 9 PM Rebel for the House of Afnan, and he worked for Givaudan. So all the oils are coming from Givaudan. So don't tell me or don't ask me about the quality. Quality is top notch, it's great, because Givaudan is not going to make anything cheap or anything bad. So quality, blending, everything is great here. So let's start a review, and as always we will start with the presentation first. So you will get this perfume in this beautiful packaging. This is a barrel shaped packaging, you can see, and here on the top you will find the logo of Lattafa and the name of the perfume, Musamam. They are engraved, and the finishing of the bottle is leathery. And then in the base you will find all the ingredient details and your manufacturing date, etc. The badge I got here is from the first month of 2025. You can see here in the screen. And the whole case is covered with this beautiful snake skin. And this is light gray and white combination here. And then here you will find this metallic plate with the name of the brand and perfume, Musamam Lattafa. And then here you will find this beautiful golden white metallic strip with the name White Intense. I'm not talking about the original Musamam. That one is also great, but here I'm talking about White Intense. And this flanker is just fire. So this is the box. You can see it's a round barrel shaped box. And once you are going to open it, you will find your beautiful bottle resting here. So here you go. And you can see the quality of this material here is very soft, the finishing is great, and then you will find your beautiful bottle here. Let me show you the bottle. And one more thing, this lid is little bit magnetic, but it's not very strong, but it's magnetic, yeah. So here you will find your perfume in this beautiful bottle. This is once again a round barrel shaped bottle. You can see the color of the juice, you can see the name of the perfume here, Musamam White Intense, and then you will find this beautiful cap. The cap here is made of metal and is quite heavy. You will find this beautiful metallic snake here on the cap, and then on the top once again you will find this beautiful texture of snake skin in this glossy finish, and then this beautiful golden atomizer. So overall presentation is very nice, very similar to the original Musamam, but the color is a little bit different here. So this was about the presentation, and now let's talk about the fragrance. Let me give you the notes breakdown, and then I will try to explain you that how this beautiful perfume actually smells. So here in the top you will get spices, bergamot and orange, and then in the middle you will get coconut, ylang ylang, ambroxan and mahonial, and then in the base you will get sandalwood, musk and benzoin. So this is a notes breakdown, but this perfume smells really divine. From the first spray until now, I have used it like from around 4 times. I'm using this perfume from last 4 days, and trust me guys, with every wearing I am falling in love more and more with this perfume. So this is a notes breakdown, and now I will try to tell you that how this perfume actually smells. So before I start my review of this fragrance, let me tell you that this perfume is going to remind you a very famous perfume from the house of BDK, and that is Gris Charnel. So from the first spray, from the first wearing, you may feel that this is something similar to BDK's Gris Charnel, but trust me guys, it's not. This is totally different. The only similarity is due to the use of sandalwood in this perfume, because the sandalwood used in this perfume and the sandalwood used in BDK's Gris Charnel triggers that kind of feeling that this is something similar to BDK's Gris Charnel. But trust me guys, just wait for like 10 to 15 minutes. Once you start discovering this perfume, once this perfume settles down, and once this perfume starts to develop on your skin and on your fabric, you will know that how good it is, and you will know that this is something totally different from BDK's Gris Charnel. This is a masterpiece on its own, and Gail Montero have done an amazing job here. So this perfume opens with a very beautiful blend of very creamy sandalwood mixed with a beautiful accord of coconut. The accord of coconut used in this perfume is, I can say, one of the best coconut accords I have ever experienced. And then you will find beautiful bergamot. It becomes citrusy, and then you will get beautiful note of ambroxan and little bit of ylang ylang here. So this is the opening, and then towards the second phase, this perfume becomes little bit more creamy, and then somehow it becomes more floral. And now you will say that how this perfume can become more floral, because there are no florals in the notes breakdown. So if you can see this note of mahonial. Mahonial is actually a proprietary molecule developed by Givaudan. So mahonial is a molecule which is providing that floral touch here, because mahonial smells like beautiful fantasy kind of florals. So here towards the second phase, it becomes more floral, more creamy. Sandalwood starts to radiate a little bit more, and then in the final dry down, you will left with that beautiful creamy sandalwood. So it's a very dynamic scent. It's not linear. It changes from the start till the dry down. You will be enjoying each and every phase of this perfume. A very dynamic scent, so beautiful, very elegant, very alluring, and just wow. So this is about the journey of this fragrance, and it's a killer. So if you like BDK's Gris Charnel, or you like these kind of fragrances based on beautiful creamy sandalwood and citruses, then you are going to love it. At least try it once and you will know what I am talking about. So this was about the fragrance, about the inspiration, about the perfumer and everything. And now let's talk about other aspects of this perfume. So let's start with the performance. Performance wise, this is a very new batch, you know. This is from January 2025, and let me tell you guys, this one is a true beast. This is going to stay on your fabric for days. I have tried this perfume like for 4 times, and trust me, the lasting is 3 days. 2 days solid, and then on the 3rd day, if you're going to wear that same t-shirt, which is not normal, but because when we are testing these fragrances, sometimes we just wear that t-shirt once again to know that if the fragrance is projecting or not. So even on the 3rd day, you are going to smell this perfume on your shirt. It's that strong, and projection, sillage, magical, amazing, and people are really going to ask you what you are wearing, and this is a compliment magnet. So this was about the performance, no issue at all. 20 by 10, or I can say 30, 100 by 10. And now let's talk about the gender. A true unisex scent. Ladies or gents, anyone can rock it very easily. And now let's talk about age. No barrier at all, but to carry this kind of beautiful, sophisticated, sexy and alluring scent, you should be a little bit mature, you should be a little bit grown up. So if you are at the age of like 22, 23, you can rock it easily. Other than that, age is not a matter here. And now let's talk about season or weather. So this perfume can be used all year around without any issue, but the best experience will be in cold season, cold weather, or if the temperature is low, if the temperature is under 30 degrees centigrade. This will work like a magic. And now let's talk about scenarios. A beautiful date scent. I would say this should be your #1 choice. For me, this is a beautiful and true date scent. And other than that, you can use this perfume in your office, if you're going on weddings, if you're going on any parties, in your meetings, at your work, no barrier at all. I will not recommend this perfume for your gym because this is something very sophisticated, very decent, very regal kind of scent. So don't wear it in your gym. In your gym, you can wear that blue, sporty, fresh kind of scents. Keep this perfume for these kind of occasions. So this was about the occasion, and now let's come to the main point, the price. And guys, let me tell you, the price is really shocking, and trust me, I'm just going to buy a backup bottle for this perfume because this is just a masterpiece. So you'll get this perfume in this beautiful presentation, and the current price of this perfume inside UAE is just 75 UAE dirhams. 100 ml juice with Ude Parfum concentration and this beautiful presentation. This is a killer, a true banger. One of the best perfume I have discovered in 2025 until now, and I'm sure I'm going to discover a lot more. So if you guys want me to make a video about my best findings of 2024 and 2025, do let me know in the comments and I will make a video for you, and I am going to show you the best fragrances I have discovered in last year and in this year until now. So this was my review about Musamam White Intense. I don't know why not a lot of people talking about this perfume. I tried to search some reviews on YouTube and I saw a couple of ladies, they have reviewed this perfume, and I think there was 1 or 2 reviews from some English reviewers. They have tried to cover it, but guys, no hype. No one is talking about this beautiful masterpiece. I'm talking about the famous reviewers. So I'm trying my best to hype it up because this one really deserves the hype. And this was my review about Musamam White Intense. I hope you like this review. Do let me know in the comments box. But before you leave my video, let me tell you that I found another gem from the house of Lattafa, another masterpiece, and I'm going to review that perfume in like next 4 to 5 days, hopefully. And here I'm talking about Mashrabia, and this is a perfume recommended to me by my brother Rahul Sharma from India, and I have paid this amount of money for this perfume. You can see I don't have any kind of affiliation with Lattafa, and all these perfumes are bought by my own hard-earned money. All this section is full of Lattafa. So yeah, I'm paying for these, but because these products are amazing, so that's why I'm reviewing it. So that was my review, and I'm going to catch you in another review of some another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.